Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth in typical ramen. First, locate your kitchen area and find the large broth pot. You will need to gather some basic ingredients, including water, various bones, and fresh vegetables. Make sure your stove has sufficient fuel to begin the cooking process. This initial setup is crucial for a successful batch of delicious broth. Once your ingredients are ready, carefully place the bones, vegetables, and water into the broth pot. After adding everything, activate the stove to start the cooking cycle. The broth will simmer for a set amount of time, typically around 2 to 3 minutes. Keep an eye on the progress bar to know when your broth is perfectly cooked and ready for the next step. To create even better broth, focus on using higher quality ingredients, which can be purchased or found. Upgrading your broth pot at the shop will significantly reduce cooking times, allowing you to produce more broth efficiently. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of bones and vegetables to discover unique and popular flavor profiles for your ramen. After your broth is complete, use a ladle to transfer it into individual ramen bowls. This broth forms the essential base for your ramen. Next, add cooked noodles and a variety of toppings to create a complete and appealing dish. Finally, serve your freshly made ramen to waiting customers to earn valuable in-game currency and expand your ramen empire.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.